Profit pages. Empowering entrepreneurs with profitable pages. Have you ever thought, why rich people are getting even richer? And the poor people are still being poor? What made the rich people to become rich and attain the position? What did they do to achieve their financial freedom? If you want to become rich and attain your financial freedom in your early 20s and 30s, then watch this video till the end. I will give you the most important principle about the life and financial freedom. Okay, let's dive into the video. Have you ever thought, why don't our education system is not teaching about finance? The real life and the education we learned for years doesn't even match a bit. From our small age, we all learn everything from our parents. But, what if they go wrong? This is exactly what is happening in our lives. Let me explain you the author's real-life experience. The author's biological father, who was well-educated and held a stable job as a government employee. Despite his academic and professional accomplishments, his dad followed the traditional path of working for a paycheck, focusing on job security, and relying on formal education to secure a stable financial future. The father of author's best friend, who was a self-made entrepreneur and investor. This dad did not have a formal education, but he possessed a strong understanding of money, investing and entrepreneurship. He emphasized the importance of financial education, passive income, and investing in assets that generate cash flow. Whom do you think is Rich Dad and the Poor Dad? The author's father had a secure job and runs his life peacefully. But he is dependent only on the salary being paid. But, the author's friend's father, does not rely on others. He was self-made entrepreneur and had a strong understanding about the money. If you want to become rich in life and attain your financial freedom, then you should follow the principles like the Rich Dad or, which the author followed to become rich. Now, you may have a question. How can I become rich? Let me explain you the principles from the book. Principle number 1, assets versus liabilities. One of the important principles that you have to know is the difference between the assets and the liabilities. The things that put money in your pocket are assets and the things that take money out of your pocket are the liabilities. The examples of assets are short-term and long-term investments, rental houses, bill receivable, and the examples of liabilities are loans, long-term debt, mortgages, accrued expenses. Imagine your financial life as a strategic game of chess. Each piece represents either an asset or a liability. Picture assets as the knights and queens, positioned strategically to bring you closer to victory. They are the income generators, like rental properties and dividend-paying stocks, putting money in your pocket. On the other hand, liabilities are the pawns quietly draining your resources. A luxury car might seem impressive, but if it's a financial burden, it's a liability. Focus on boosting your assets and reducing your liabilities. Seek out opportunities to invest in income-generating assets that contribute positively to your financial health. Make informed choices, aiming to accumulate assets that align with your long-term goals. Principle number 2, the rich don't work for money. The author says, the wealthy focus on building and acquiring assets that generate passive income, such as investments, real estate, and businesses. Envision a scenario where money becomes your dedicated servant, tirelessly working for you. That's the essence of this principle. Instead of being a slave to money, make money work for you. The wealthy focus on building income streams through assets like investments and real estate, allowing them to enjoy passive income. They've mastered the art of letting their money create more money. Shift your perspective from merely earning a paycheck to creating multiple streams of passive income. Invest wisely in assets that have the potential to grow and generate returns over time. By adopting this mindset, you can edge closer to financial freedom and break free from the traditional cycle of trading time for money. Principle number 3, work to learn, not to earn. Life is a grand symphony, and each experience contributes a note to the melody of your success. This principle invites you to view your work as an opportunity for growth. Instead of solely focusing on the paycheck, focus on learning valuable skills and knowledge. These assets become your toolkit for navigating the complex world of finance and business. Embrace continuous learning in your career and endeavors. Expand your skill set and knowledge, even if immediate financial rewards aren't evident. By investing in your education, you enhance your value and open doors to greater earning potential down the road. Principle number 4, seek financial education. Like said before, expand your financial literacy by actively seeking knowledge about money, investing, and personal finance. Educate yourself to make informed decisions and avoid common financial pitfalls. Without proper knowledge about investing or finance, you should not make any financial decisions. Imagine having a treasure map leading to untold riches. That map is financial education. Knowledge about money, investing, and personal finance acts as a compass, guiding you through the financial wilderness. It empowers you to make informed decisions and avoid common financial pitfalls. Make a commitment to lifelong learning in matters of finance. Attend workshops, read books, and seek guidance from experts. The deeper your understanding of financial principles, the better equipped you will be to make wise decisions that align with your goals. Principle number 5, focus on long-term goals. Set clear financial goals and create a plan to achieve them over the long term. Be patient and persistent in your pursuit of financial independence. Picture yourself at the helm of a ship, navigating towards a distant horizon. Long-term goals are the guiding stars, illuminating your path. They provide direction, purpose, and a roadmap to turn dreams into reality. Establish clear, achievable long-term financial goals. Develop a step-by-step plan to bring those goals to fruition. Remember, true success is built over time through consistent effort and unwavering dedication. Remember, these principles aren't mere theory, they are actionable steps towards rewriting your financial story. Every choice you make, every lesson you learn, brings you closer to a life of abundance and fulfillment. So, embrace these principles with determination, let them ignite your passion, and watch as they unfurl a future rich in possibilities. Your journey begins now, and armed with the wisdom of Rich Dad Poor Dad, you have the power to sculpt a financial narrative that's uniquely your own. Onward to a future of financial mastery and unbounded success. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and ring the notification bell to get instant updates. Make sure you share this video to your fellow mates. Stay inspired and keep growing. See you on the next profitable page.